Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to run live PHP code with VS Code Live Server. So onto this tutorial, we're going to start first on installing the Visual Studio Code onto your device. So if you haven't installed it yet, just visit their official website, which is code.visualstudio.com, and then you should be able to find in the download links that are available for your device. Just go ahead and follow in the prompts to go ahead and successfully download Visual Studio Code onto your PC or laptop. Then right after, you'll just need to open this. And once you're already in onto your Visual Studio Code, it's time to install the live server extension. So for you to be able to install an extension here onto your Visual Studio Code, just head here onto the left side corner of the screen. You could find in the extensions for that. So this is the shortcut key as well. And if you click onto that, there should be an option for you to search in here. So you're just gonna search in there, live server, and then right after, you'll just have to install this. So let's paste that one out in here, and let's wait for this one to load. So as you can see, we have live server in here. And if you click onto that, there should be an option for you to install this. Since I have installed this already, you could see the uninstall button. Then right after, once you have successfully installed this, you'll just need to create a PHP file. So if you have one already, just open the existing file. So as you can see, I have one already in here in the Visual Studio Code, and just make sure that it has the .php in here so that it should be recognized as a PHP file in Visual Studio Code. Now right after, I've gone ahead and prepared a PHP code in here wherein it has called the HTML code that we have in here as well that will create a simple HTML page serving a PHP content. So let's head on to the PHP code that we have in here. And then right after, what we need to do next, onto the bottom part, there should be a go live option in here to run the live server extension that we have recently installed. So if you click onto that, it will go ahead and start, and it has started at this certain port. So we'll just have to wait for this one since it will go ahead and open something like this automatically onto your browser. And that is just basically it on how you run a live PHP code with VS Code Live Server. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.